Assalamualaikum. I'm Khairul Nazran Abdul Rahman, Consul General Malaysia in Karachi, Pakistan. I would like to commend the effort by the BIS today, led by Mr. Rafiq Wayani, for his noble effort in convening of the Business Excellence Award today. So basically, this is noble effort in recognizing the effort and the achievement of the business community in Pakistan. So at the same time, I also invite them to venture into business opportunity in Malaysia, because we offers immense opportunity in the various sector in the strategic areas. This would definitely augurs well for the development and enhancement of the bilateral relation between Malaysia and Pakistan. So inshallah that after the COVID situation gets better, Pakistan business community could visit Malaysia, inshallah. Thank you.
So a few lines about our event today. The reason why we thought of this initiative, the reason why for doing these awards is to encourage and motivate the business community. This year has been really tough with COVID-19 pandemic hitting us hard. Many businesses and industries have been really deeply affected. So the purpose of this award was to encourage them, motivate them, and especially all those business leaders who've been resilient in these difficult times. So that was the whole point of this get together, and inshallah we'll continue with lifestyle awards later in Dubai and Kuala Lumpur.